Hi guys, welcome to our Casper pillow review. Actually, we have two pillows in this video. I have the Casper pillow in king size, and then I have the nap pillow. It's so cute. I haven't opened it yet, and we're about to discover these two pillows together in this video. Now, I went to Target to purchase these items for my ultimate pillow fight right there. You can check it out. It's a really super cool video where you can find out more about pillows, because not all pillows are the same. But let's talk about these pillows here. So I went to Target. I didn't buy them online or through their website. This pillow, I found it at Target and I paid $65 for it. Again, this is the king size. When I went to their website, it was $95 for some reason. I don't know why. The standard size on the website is $75. The nap pillow is $35 at Target. I just wanted to buy these items, like I said, for my video. I'm so lucky I found them and I bought them there. So I'm still trying to figure out why it's listed. The king size pillow is $95 on their website, at Casper website. So versus Target $65. We'll find out and I'll let you know on my post or review or the page where you can read more about them. But let's show you what's inside these pillows. They are sitting side by side, but we are going to compare them as well. First of all, the Casper pillow. Here's a tip. I am so happy I bought the king size pillow. It's bigger. It can almost become your body pillow, you know. So instead of buying one long pillow, just buy the king size pillow. This is a really good tip, and I'm so happy I did that. Now let's see what's inside the Casper pillow. Right. I'm going to remove the insert. Obviously, now the market is full of adjustable pillows, which is awesome. I know there's many type of sleepers, stomach, back, and side sleepers. Sometimes people say, no, I exclusively sleep on my back or my side. I don't think so, because you never know. You do turn around and you change your sleep position as you're sleeping through the night. You can't tell. Maybe you don't know. Maybe you wake up back on the side you were sleeping or the back, but you can't tell. You don't know. You could be any type of sleeper throughout the night. But let me show you how cool this is. This is the insert. It's super soft. I can't tell you how soft it is. It's filled with fibers, but I'm gonna show you the casing, the inside of it. First of all, it is nice, like it's pretty. It feels super soft. You can exclusively use this if you want. It depends on the way you sleep, or you can put, of course, the insert. Now, the cover itself is 100% cotton, which means it keeps you cool at night. That's a very good plus. This is what almost everyone's looking for, to sleep cool. And it's easy to wash. So all you have to do is remove the insert and just put them in the washing machine. Follow the instructions always, but I know you can wash them and reuse and keep it nice and clean. Now, like I said, it's an adjustable pillow. This is really a good thing. Now, I'm going to open up the nap pillow. I'm really excited about this because I love everything that's really cute, little, and compact, especially when you travel. Now, it's called the nap pillow, and I'm insisting I want to call it the travel pillow because you can take it anywhere with you. It comes in a bag, which is also a good thing. So when you want to take this anywhere with you, you can put it back in this bag and keep it clean. How cute it is. Eek! It's so little. So it says here that you can use it during your travel, which is, of course, obvious, which means flying or driving, but not while you're driving, you know. I have to say that. It's like, don't drive and take naps. But it's super tiny, but that's the size you're looking for. Also, It says here on the box that you can take a nap at your desk. Also don't do that unless you're working from home. So, yeah. It's a plus thing. So, first impression, I just opened it up. Super small, of course. So if you're a big person, like one of my friends in my big videos, this is nothing. This is their baby pillow. But it does the job. I don't know if I can call it something fun to carry and go, because I love everything that's small and compact, like I said. I love it's cotton and the fill is polyester. That's it. It's simple. It does have this nice cover, so you can wash the cover and put it back on it. I don't know if you really want to spend $35 to buy a tiny pillow or not, but this is the price. This is where I found it, and I bought it from Target for $35. It feels just, like a little pillow. But it is better than the pillow you'll find on the airplane when you travel international, whatever, domestic, but just Casper trying to do something new, I guess. It says here it's supportive, it has fluffy outer layer, not that fluffy, you'll just squish it and then it's no longer fluffy. But it's just a small pillow. My advice is that if you really travel a lot, if you fly a lot and you like to take little naps, I think it's a good investment. It's only $35 at Target. I'm not sure how much it costs online. I wasn't able to find it, or maybe I didn't do my research well, but this is how much it costs at Target. And again, the big pillow, this is the king size pillow, $65 at Target versus Casper website, $95. I have no idea still why, but I will find out. And there's standard pillow, so it comes in two sizes. The other size is standard, which means for a queen, and it's $75 on Casper website. So I will find out how much it costs at Target and let you know on my post. Side by side, let me just put them here. That's the king size, and I'm very happy with the king size, by the way. I tested it, I tried it, I slept on it. Super comfortable, supportive, and sleeps cool, for sure. So comfort, support, and cool, and adjustable. This is what everyone's almost looking for. And honestly, we do go for camping trips. And I think I would rather take this with me than this one. Maybe my daughter can use this one, yeah. Definitely for a little one. But if I fly a lot, I might, yes, use the small one. I don't know, neck pillow. I'm not sure if it does a neck pillow job. It's just a sleeping, if you have a seat by the window or you want to make a new friend, you just put it on their heads on the airplane and like, hey, excuse me, you're my new best friend. I'm going to sleep on your head. No, you just use your pillow and sleep on their heads. I know, it's funny. All right, happy with this product? Yes, definitely check it out. Check out their pillow. It's super comfortable. And like I said, I sometimes hold it and make it like my body pillow. Because everyone wants to hug a pillow when they're sleeping. So it is super fluffy. This is fluffy. I'm not sure if I can call it fluffy. Maybe my daughter will call it fluffy. Alright, that was our Casper pillow review. Again, you can check out my pillow fight video. It's been featured there. It's one of the good ones, one of the best pillows as well. This one is simply, it's called nap pillow. I really want to call it travel pillow because you can tuck it anywhere you want. Thanks to this little bag, you can keep it nice and clean. Just grab it and go. Alright, thanks for watching this video. There is more on my page, and I will see you next time.